Hi, let me show you how you can easily add subscription link to your YouTube channel. All you need to do is go to YouTube, go to your channel. If you notice in the address bar here, you will notice there is a code which you may not have at this point of time. And this is what you need to add. You can either write it down from here. This is question mark view underscore as equals subscriber. You can either write it down, or I will put this code in the description mail and description box below, so you can copy and paste it. Once you have entered this code, just press enter, and this code will become part of the complete URL address. All you need to do now is to copy this link and send it to your friends via WhatsApp or any other messaging service and ask them to click this link. What will happen is once they click this link, it will automatically direct them to your YouTube channel and they will become your channel subscribers. And this is what you want. Uh, this is a very good way in order to get more and more subscriber to your channel, and probably the most easiest way. I hope this works for you.